Do you dance, sing, or tell jokes? It's so great. Now can you link that to science? Everyone loves a good talent show, the thrill and excitement of watching someone's own creativity go to work. The only thing more exciting than watching it is to participate in it yourself. The Rochdale Science Initiative is looking for young, talented members of our own community, aged between 5 and 16, to participate in our own science talent show, called Rochdale's Got Science Talent. Yeah, a very original name, I know. But don't be put off by the word science. Your talent can be anything, with at least one association to science, and that's it, you entered in. The winners will receive wonderful prizes, the top 3 will receive money and special gifts, and will also work with us and our team to create their own science attraction for our next event. The deadline for the event is Wednesday, midnight, 31st of July 2019, so there's lots of time. Don't stress if you can't think about anything. We've been brainstorming it for a couple of days and we came up with loads of ideas. You can create music from waste, use plastic bottles as drums, use Coke glasses as flutes to create the melody. If you're passionate about music, you can create it from literally anything. The only thing stopping you is your imagination. You can also do kick-ups with footballs while talking about your favourite scientists. You can hula hoop, juggle while talking anything about science. You can do Quran recitation, any ayats related to science works. You can do spoken word, poetry, make your own songs. You can even do stand-up comedy, mimic and impersonate your favourite scientists and talk about their revolution and what they discovered. There are loads of ideas you can do, even artworks, drawings, anything about science. It all works. There's loads of time and with your imagination you can create the most wonderful ideas. So if you are looking to enter, all the details are down below in the description. It's a wonderful event and I really do hope to see you all there, see what amazing ideas you have made, and I wish you all the best of luck. Have a great time thinking of what you can do, have a great time in the event. Good luck all of you. See you there.